A couple of weeks ago, my uncle got me this cool Bluetooth speaker kit, and I had it sitting around for a while, and I had no clue what I was going to do with it. Then, for other reasons, I got this 3D printer, the Creality Ender 3 Pro. And it's a really good 3D printer for how much it cost. Besides it doing this. It doesn't seem that healthy. But after I got the printer, I got the idea that I could 3D print a case for this thing. And since my old speakers on my desk broke, instead of buying new ones, I could just make new ones. I had to go through a couple iterations, because this is my first time using 3D printing. I didn't know what I had to optimize and what was required to 3D print an object. And then, I printed it. Then came the process of assembling it. In total, it took around 30 minutes to assemble, mainly because I wasn't using the right tools for the first half. Also, I really didn't optimize the model for putting the screws in. The gaps were really small, and I didn't think that the metal screws are going to be put near giant magnets, and that proved to be really annoying. And I decided to leave out any indicator lights because I have enough flashing things on my desk at night, and it works really well. The bass is really muddy and the highs are really non-existent, but because I'm going to mainly use it for video editing and also I don't really care that much about sound quality, it is really good. It fits its design purpose. But this project was really great. Not only did I get something useful out of it, I learned a lot about 3D modeling on the way. But yeah, this was a quick, simple, easy video on a quick, simple, easy project. I'll include the models below and a place where you can buy the speaker kit. If you want to get the higher watt versions, you're probably going to have to extend out the back a bit. Fear the algorithm, like and subscribe. If you have any questions about it, or want to learn from someone who's no clue what they're doing, I will attempt to help. Bye.